Hello po sa lahat. For today's video ay mag-i-ensayo tayo ngayon sa ating punching together with our instructor, Sensei. Kung gusto mo matuto ng karate tulad ko, ay sundin mo lang ang ating video. So this is our kimono. And we are white belted. Okay, we're done. Now guys, let's proceed the proper fighting stand of the karate. Our first fist is level to our eyes and the second is chest level. So just follow my position.
One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Two, three. Because. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. One, two, three. Naglato ka position ng itong punching technique. Position. One, two, atras. One, two, atras. One, two, atras.
Ayan na ang pag-iensayo natin guys sa punching. Sana ay may natutunan kayo. Please like, comment, and share na lang sad guys para makita sa iba na gustong matuto ng martial arts tulad ko. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button para updated ka sa bagong upload kong mga videos. Thank you for watching!